Today, we're going to take you through using the calculated field. As you can see, I already have part of the form built out. The form has two rows, each with a quantity and price value. A calculated field is then used to multiply those values together for a row total. A final total is then calculated using total 1 and total 2's value. Now, let's preview the form and see how it works. This is what the form would look like if you were trying to submit it. As we mentioned before, quantity and price should affect the total for each row. Let's change the quantity and see if it updates. As you can see, total updates immediately because 3 times 1 is 3. The final total at the bottom of the page updates as well. Now we will change the price to 33.52. Now the total equals 100.56. The field shows 3 decimal places even though mathematically it is unnecessary. It does this because I've set it in the calculated field options. You can also see that total 2 only shows 2 decimal places. Now that we've seen it work, let's take a look at how we set it up. Let's click on the field options icon for total 1 to see how the field is configured. As with all fields, you are presented with general, display, and permission options. In this video, we are most interested in the 4th step, calculated field options. Here we can see that quantity 1, a multiply operator, and price 1 have already been added. I'm going to remove these and create the same calculation again with one small change. It is a good idea to think of the calculation that you want first, as you will always need to add each item in order from left to right. For this new calculation, I'm going to add a parentheses, then I'll add a field, quantity 1, a multiply operator, price 1, and then add that closing parentheses. Now, and this is going to be different, I'm going to be adding a 5 to the result in the parentheses. I will also change the decimal from 3 to 2. Now let's save this and go back to the preview and see the difference. Now going back to the preview, you can see that total 1 defaults to 6. 1 times 1 is 1, and then we have that additional 5. Now let's make a small change to quantity and see the real-time update to total 1 and final total. You can also see there are 2 decimals instead of 3. And there it is, the calculated field. Thanks for watching.